Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are drawing Homer Simpson from The Simpsons step by step. First, I'm going to draw these three lines and make a round circle and the two eyes and the mouth and the neck and the shirt. See, pay attention to the shapes and then the shirt and his belly and his bottom part of his shirt and his arm and the fingers and then the rest of the arm. Now the tip of the shirt and his pants. See, it's a round curve and two straight lines for the legs and the bottom part of his pants. And the other pants side, other leg, and the shoe, and the other side as well, the same way. And then the other sleeve, and his arm, if it's too fast, you can pause and try to do it on your own pace. Now, after I drew the fingers, I drew a part of the donut and the other finger that's holding to the donut, and the other circle, and the middle circle. And this is where he bit, and the part in the middle where the crusting is not on, and then the part that he bit off, the bottom part. And then I'm going to draw these things on the top of the donut, and I'm reshaping his head a little bit, and okay, I'm reshaping a little bit there, and the ear. You can draw an opposite C, and then draw another line, and the hair. The side hair looks like M. Now the crumbs that are falling down, and I'm fixing a little bit. You can do that too in your own pace. And the legs, and those lines are the highlight indicators that we're going to highlight later when we paint. And that's the shadow part on the arm, and that's another shadow for the arm and shadow for the head. And shadow for the pants. And now I'm inking on top of my draft. You can always pause the video and do it on your own pace. Okay, I'm done. So I got rid of the draft, and so this is how it looks like after inking. Now I'm coloring the arms and the head, his skin, And then his part where he didn't shave, and his pants and shoes, and the donut's top part, and then the crumbs, and the part where there's no frosting, the bread part, and the toppings. And okay, I have to color, but for that I got rid of the background so I can see where I didn't paint in white. Now that's the shadow, so it's a little gray. Coloring the shadows too. And the shadows for the pants. And that's the highlight of the shoe. It shows that it's shining. And the shadow for the shoes. Okay, turned back. And then the shadow for the head. I brought back the white background because I'm done coloring the white colors. Now I'm shadowing the eye that's bulging out. Now I'm going to get the highlight of the head. I'm using kind of lemon color. And the other side. Always on the opposite side there's a highlight in the nose. Over here, the shadow of the arm. I'm erasing the black lines for the shadows, not the outside line, only the inside line. And the shadows, shadow for the arm. There, I'm done with the shadows for the arm. Now the shadows on the shirt, getting rid of the black lines. There. And going to shadow the pants. There. And the top part. The shadow from the shirt towards the pants. And I guess we're done. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again with more drawings.